No, I'm saying like.
What? Oh my god.
Why would you do that?
I just
I'm seeing stars. Ew!
That's the dirty water. I just pooped.
Nice. Nice!
What happened? The toilet water?
Nice.
What? There's nothing wrong with this.
Why are you eating it? Every time I go to flush it, it rises back up for some reason.
Dude, are you fucking serious?